This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Expobar dual boiler here. I replaced the heating elements in the machine for the steam boiler. This is what the old one looks like. So you can see there's a lot of scale buildup. And on top of that, there was like some wire that was exposed, so I covered that up, cleaned that up, and I did a tune-up. So here's the old gasket and screen. Replaced those, backflushed, descaled the machine, and just cleaned it all up. So I'm just going to do a quick test for you. And this is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to this machine, but as you can see, we're still getting a pretty nice, strong shot. And there's the 9 bars there, so everything's looking good. I'll stop the shot now. So, there you have it. Nice shot of espresso. And we also have really strong steam, and there's the hot water. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.